Hello, welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. In this episode, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta360 One R 4K edition 360 camera. So this is really cool. It just arrived in the mail earlier today from China and delivered to my doorstep here in beautiful Koh Samui, Thailand. And I recently launched a photography startup called Thailand 360 Tours, where I'm offering fully immersive virtual tours to property owners here on the island. This is where it starts, and it could go many other places in Thailand, but this is my home base for now. And I've been borrowing the Theta Z1 from a friend. This is one of the best 360 cameras that money can buy. It's very portable. There's also the Matterport, which is a $3,000 beast of a camera, which I just can't afford right now, but my friend may be investing in one soon. But in the meantime, I've been using this, the Theta Z1, and working with a couple different property owners here around the island and just getting more clients for my photography business. But I'm really excited for this one because it's not too expensive. It's about $350. I bought it straight from the Insta360 official website. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. Haha. So it says in the box we've got the camera itself, a mounting bracket, a battery base, charging cable. Oh, and it also came with a free selfie stick, so I don't have to be holding it in my hand. If I'm riding the motorbike around, I can use the selfie stick. And so it's also got 4K. It's a 4K camera, which is amazing. My drone, the DJI Mini 2, also has 4K. It also has FlowState Stabilization, reversible touchscreen, HDR photo. The list goes on. Hyperlapse, and it's very good for virtual tours as well. So there's the camera itself, including the battery base. That's it. I think the battery lasts, we'll see. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but that's it. And it just pops right out of the case. Now we've got the, let's see if we can focus on it here. We've got the One R Insta360. It's very portable. It looks like it goes down to aperture 2.8 FlowState Stabilization, which means that if you're say dirt biking or something and it's a very bumpy road, then it will automatically stabilize just like the latest GoPros have. So let's take off the protective coating on the lens. There it is. It's, as you can see, it's actually a lot smaller than the Theta Z1, which is great because I can even just put this in my drone bag and be good to go. So this 360 camera I'm definitely going to be putting to good use here in Koh Samui. And of course, here's the battery base as well. On the back it says do not drop into fire, which is obvious. So we've got those, and then let's see what else is in the case. Oops. Take this thing out. This should be the bracket. So I still need to get a tripod. That's the only thing I'm missing. But I can easily pick one of those up from Power Buy at the mall right down the street. So yeah, this should be the bracket. Yeah, there's the bracket. So that's for mounting it onto a tripod. Pretty neat. Or I think this one is also waterproof up to 5 meters. So let's say I was to go diving in Koh Tao, which is only about two hours from Koh Samui. I could use this as well during my dives. So it has many purposes that I could put this to use for. And we've just got the manual, which I almost never read. And a couple other things in here, but that's it. That's the Insta360 One R. I want to see if I can turn it on as well. I might have to charge the battery first, but let's see if it comes on. Probably not. I think I have to, first I have to plug the battery in. That would definitely help. So let's see how this works. Aha. Okay, should be Okay, battery pack is on, and the camera turns on. So I don't actually you don't have to charge the battery ahead of time. And now I'm presented with a touchscreen where I can choose my language. And now it says install Insta360 One R app and connect camera to activate. So I'll have to do that after I finish this this video for YouTube. And yeah, it also has the display. I don't know if you can see that, but the display is already up on the camera. And that is really cool. Now I just need to put in an SD card and should be good to go. It's set up to shoot in 4K mode. 16:9 resolution at 60 frames per second. Oh, I think it just took a picture, even though I didn't push a button yet. That is pretty cool. So I'm really excited to put this to use, and I love how small and portable it is compared to some of the other camera options out there. This is obviously the Theta Z1 is one of the best 360 cameras money can buy right now, and very grateful to just be borrowing this from a friend. But now that I have this, it should be smooth sailing from here on out. So wish me luck with the Thailand 360 Tours business. It's going to be growing over the next couple months. I plan on just staying here right in Koh Samui. And as I'm ending this video, a plane is taking off. We're living very close to the airport, and probably about 3 or 5 flights every day back and forth between Bangkok. So this is a great home base, and it's a beautiful island. There's honestly no other place I'd rather be, so I think this is the best place to start my photography business. So with that being said, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching. Till next time, peace from Thailand.